Hi, my name is Ron Heiser. I'm the chief engineer for the Mustang Mach-E. Behind me you see our GT version, obviously a beautiful car. Our lineup starts out with a rear-wheel drive, 250 horsepower, over 300 foot-pounds of torque capability, and then you go all the way up to our GT, which is a performance all-wheel drive, over 450 horsepower, over 600 foot-pounds of torque. It is going to go like hell, as Bill Ford has said. You can see all of the Mustang cues wrapped into a sport utility package. You see the Mustang shark nose front end, the aggressive headlamps with a tri-bar theme to them. We have the tri-bar tail lamps on the rear of the car. Inside of the car, you're dominated by our 15-inch touchscreen, and we also have a cluster that's in front of the steering wheel, because we felt it was important to have the driver information critical to driving in front of the driver. So we have your range, your speed, and also our driver assist technology information will be on the cluster.
You have two battery packages, isn't it?
Correct. Yes, we have two battery packages. Our standard battery is a little over 75 kilowatt hours. It'll get you 230 miles of EPA range in rear-wheel drive. And our extended range battery is a little over 98 kilowatt hours, and it'll get you over 300 miles of range with our rear-wheel drive e-drive system.
Do you have a pricing for those two packages?
Yeah, the base car at standard battery rear-wheel drive starts at under $44,000. That's before any government incentive, so you can take the $7,500 federal tax credit on top of that. Opting up to the extended range battery, you're getting into the $50,000 price range. Again, that's before any type of tax credit.
That's very competitive, almost on the same level as the Tesla 3 model, isn't it?
We believe we're placed very, very strongly. We're excited about the Mustang Mach-E. We're taking reservations now with a refundable $500 deposit, so they're going pretty quick.
It's a fun car, and you were saying just a minute ago something about the front trunk. That was kind of cool for a lot of people.
We felt it was very important to package a really credible front trunk. You can definitely get an overnight bag into that front trunk. We took a little bit different spin on how we wanted to execute it. So we had a couple of use cases. One was if you were going hiking and you had muddy boots and you don't want to store your muddy boots inside this lovely vehicle, you throw them in the front trunk, you get home. When you get home, we have an active drain, so you can literally just hose out the trunk and clean it up, front trunk and clean it out. The other way we see the front trunk being used is for tailgating. Load it up with ice, load it up with your favorite beverage, take it to your local sports team, and have it be the hit of the tailgate.
And the Mach-E is fully made in U.S.?
The Mustang Mach-E is assembled in Mexico, and with obviously a lot of the parts coming from the U.S., but it's a global car.
Thank you.